Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy for all you Apple Card users out there. Setting up Autopay. If you're tired of manually paying your bills every month and risking late fees, Autopay is your new best friend. It's an automatic payment system that ensures your Apple Card balance is paid on time, every time. Not only does it save you time, but it also helps build your credit score by avoiding missed payments. Let's get right into it. First things first. Make sure you have your Apple Card set up in the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll need to be logged in with your Apple ID and have a linked payment method, like a bank account or debit card. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and sort it out. It's quick and easy. Okay, now open the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll see your cards listed. Tap on your Apple Card. Once you're in, scroll down a bit until you find the Payments section. There, look for the option that says Autopay or Automatic Payments. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to set it up. Next, choose how you want to pay. You can select to pay the minimum due, the full statement balance, or even a custom amount. I recommend going for the full balance to keep things simple and avoid any interest charges. Then, confirm your payment method and select the frequency. Usually, it's set to your statement due date. Hit Enable Autopay or Set Up to finalize everything. You'll get a confirmation on screen, and just like that, you're good to go. Double check by going back to the Payments section to ensure it's active. One quick tip. If you ever need to change or turn off Autopay, you can do it right from the same spot in the app. It's flexible, so no worries there. Setting this up could save you a ton of hassle, and who doesn't love that? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.